To fix the TikTok camera not working issue on your Android device, start by going to Device Settings, then open Apps, App Management, depending on your phone. Find TikTok in the app list and tap on it. Next, go to Permissions and check if the camera permission is enabled. If it's not, make sure to turn it on. While you are there, head over the storage and tap on Clear Cache, then clear data if necessary. This helps reset the app without removing it completely. After that, open TikTok again and test the camera. If it's still not working, make sure your phone's system and software is up to date. Go to Settings, find Software Update, and check for any updates. If everything is up to date and the issue persists, uninstall TikTok from the Google Play Store and reinstall it. These steps should resolve the issue. If not, contacting TikTok support might be the best next step.